Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Ford Tornado Connect. So this is a very versatile vehicle that comes with reverse parking sensors. You get DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth, air conditioning. The car's done less than 20,000 miles. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.5 litre diesel engine. It gives you 99 horsepower. It does had 2 previous owners, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.